After we got to the front, we're going to conduct our 3 L's, our lights, our leans, and our leaks. Our lights, they are securely fastened, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts. My clearance lights, my turn signals, and my 4-ways are all amber in color. My headlights are actually clear in color, and they're all clean. Then I have my leans. I'm going to check that the vehicle is leaning. This vehicle is not leaning. If it was, I would check my tire pressure, my suspension, and my actual load. Last, we have leaks. I'm going to look underneath the vehicle, see if there's any leaks. This vehicle does not have any leaks. If there were, I'll be looking for antifreeze, power steering fluid, and oil. At this time, I'm going to open up the hood. I'm going to start on this side right here. Right here we have our alternator. It is securely fastened, not bent, broken, or cracked, and it is belt driven. Here we have the belt. It is securely fastened, no abrasion, bulges, or cuts, and the belt has less than 3/4 of an inch of play or deflection. Here we have the wires to the alternator. They are securely fastened, no abrasion, bulges, or cuts, and I don't see any frays. Then we walk around to the driver's side of the vehicle. I'm going to do my liquids first. So I have my coolant. It is securely fastened, no abrasion, bulges, or cuts. It is at its appropriate level. If it was not, I'd fill it right here. Then I have my hoses to my coolant. They are securely fastened, no abrasion, bulges, or cuts, and I don't see any leaks. Then we'll go down to my power steering reservoir. It is securely fastened, no abrasion, bulges, or cuts. It is filled to appropriate level. If it was not, I'd fill it right here. Then I have my hoses to my power steering reservoir. They are securely fastened, no abrasion, bulges, or cuts, and they're all not leaking. Next, I have my oil. I would normally pull it out, wipe it off, stick it back in, pull it out again, read the level on it. If it's not at the appropriate level, I will go ahead and fill oil right here. Now I'm going to do my engine components. So I'm going to start on right here with my water pump. It is securely fastened, not bent, broken, or cracked, and it is belt driven. My belt is securely fastened, no abrasion, bulges, or cuts, and I have less than 3/4 of an inch deflection. Then I'll go from there to my hoses to my water pump. They are securely fastened, no abrasion, bulges, or cuts, and I don't see any leaks in anything. Then I'm going to go to my air compressor. It is securely fastened, not bent, broken, or cracked, and it is actually gear driven. I got my hoses to my air compressor. They are securely fastened, no abrasion, bulges, or cuts, and I actually don't hear any leaks. Down here we have our steering pump. It is securely fastened, not bent, broken, or cracked, and it is also gear driven. I have my hoses that are going to my steering pump. They are securely fastened, no abrasion, bulges, or cuts, and I don't see any leaks in anything.